What's up guys? In this video we are going to see how to use visibility widget in Flutter. Make a column with elevated button and text in it. We are going to make the text widget to disappear using visibility. Wrap the text widget with visibility and set visible attribute to is visible variable. Make a variable is visible and set it to true. Now make set state in unpressed of elevated button and make his visible not equals is visible. Now you can see disappearing and reappearing on button clicks.